KX65, which was a two-stroke. Nothing does it for me like these old ratty two-strokes. My name's Ryan Dugan. I've been wrenching on motorcycles for over 25 years now, and this is the Moto Resurrection compound. The magic happens here in Nashville on the two-stroke bikes, on restorations. I work on everything, all modern all the way to vintage, but everything, you know, from being a kid on a dirt bike has just been two-strokes. I love two-stroke motorcycles. It's very time consuming. My wife even yells at me when I'm in the house eating dinner or watching TV. I'm searching for parts on eBay or sending emails out to guys trying to find stuff. The big beneficial thing with the vapor blasting cabinet is you find something at a swap meet online somewhere, you get it to the house, it's in shambles, it's dirty, you throw it in there and you clean it and it looks like $1 million. Most other people think that's a heap of trash.
Right.
That's not worth anything, but after a couple hours in the vapor blaster, it looks brand new and it's unharmed. As opposed to sending that off to, you know, somebody with a glass bead cabinet and just absolutely destroying it and making it look like shit. Especially something that how much this thing is worth, you know, or where you can't find it anymore. I think it's 3.5, 4 years ago I bought it. We drove to North Carolina to go pick it up, and I haven't looked back since, man. It's been amazing. It's paid for itself 1,000 times now. I got people dropping off stuff today, almost every day. You know, they have stuff cleaned because they're amazed on how that stuff comes out, the finished products. We blast it, we clean it, and you know, everybody was curious of what kind of materials it can be cleaned in there. And I found out that plastics can be cleaned up, rubbers. They look brand new, NOS, carburetors, float bowls, petcocks, cases, engine covers. I mean, nearly anything, you know, we can clean. 5 seconds in the vapor blaster. Your part is clean, ready to go back together, you're moving on to the next job and the next month.